Hi, my name is Ashu Roda. I am the Deputy General Manager here for the Business and Operations, and I am leading here for the brand Zephyr. It is the brand that represented by RMX Industries into the for the India. We RMX Industries constantly work to provide the best hoses and the best product to the customers. We are currently specialized to making the reels and these kind of hoses for the garden and kitchen cleaning as well. So I will try to brief the product first that is falling under the brand of Blue Shield. Blue Shield. It have 50 feet of length with a retractable unit and one high pressure motor with it that have auto cut system inbuilt that comes with the different types of tips with the proper storage here and one shampoo bottle here where you can connect by pushing this plug back and you can easily connect this gun with that. With this. After applying the detergent, you can put this lens into the gun and you can do the cleaning as well for the high pressure cleaning. We have different types of lenses over there for the different kind of applications during the cleaning, and for the installation you just need a water inlet to be connected over here and a power connection over only. This unit comes with a detachable pressure pump. If in future, if pump need any kind of service and repair, you don't need to send the whole unit to the factory. You just push out this unit from the reel and you can push back the new unit and the complete unit is ready for the working again. After that we have a garden hose reel as well. These hoses are made with the 100% rubber and a kink proof, and it sustains approximately 10 bar of pressure, maximum pressure, that comes with a high metal 9 mode spray gun. You can see with a different mode of applications over there. It's a metal based spray gun, not a cheap plastic, and this reel is made with the 18 gauge of steel with the proper brass and fittings that will be a rust proof. We have a 30mm unit as well, that a bigger body with a bigger body. We have enclosed reels as well for the garden with a swivel function as well. A part of this product we have product for the kitchen cleaning. We have a Prudence faucets over there with the different bases. We have two types of deck model mounted here. One is with a single hole, and second with a double hole. It is a low profile faucet. Sometimes at the user location there will be a rack for the storage over there. So these kind of commercial faucets will be worked here for the cleaning. So the small faucet will be worked over there where the rack has been placed. By this, user can rinse the dish and wash the dishes. If they want to flow the continuous water, then this metal ring will be worked here. It comes with a spout. By this, you can easily move the spout for the cleaning. A part of this product, we have this kind of retractable kitchen reel, hose reel as well. By this, you can rinse the dishes. After that, you can pull out the hose from the reel and you can gently clean the whole floor of the kitchen. And you can also clean the big pots and big trays as well. After finishing your work, you can let it go. The reel will be folded back. We have wall-mounted system over here. Sometimes at the user location, the water inlet will be from the wall side. So these kind of wall mounted units will work here. You can apply hot and cold water both with this product. our hose can sustain. Our hose also can sustain the hot water up to 90 degrees. So this type of unit also comes with the SS304. The net bolt of this unit is also in SS, so it will be a rust-proof product. For the coastal area, the user will be preferred for the SS304. We have small reels as well with the food grade applications. With the FDA approved hose, you can run steam and hot water with this on this reel with the over the 100 plus temperature. And we have some pot filler for the filling the pots into the kitchen. We have a dosa tawa cleaning as well. Sometimes at the restaurant where dosa has been making, they are just want to splash the water on the dosa tawa to clean the dosa again and again. So these kind of projects we are already run into the Rameshwar Cafe, and we have some small faucets as well for the kitchen cleaning that have both connectivity with the hot and cold water. We have these kind of spray water sprayers as well for the gardening. These guns comes with the typical 8 and 9 mode with the different patterns. We have these kind of swing brackets as well. By this you can move your product left or right. For the reels, we have a steam nozzles over here to dispense the steam. So these are our products. If you want to buy and interested in this product, you can easily contact on our website www.zephyr.live, and on the contact number is 844 844 4565. Thank you.